Your body can repair nerve damage at any age, but only if it has the right building blocks. Without these 7 critical nutrients, your nerves remain exposed, causing that burning pain, numbness, and weakness that worsens year after year with conditions like diabetes or autoimmune disorders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vitamins target myelin regeneration, the science behind how they work, and the specific amounts needed for results. One particular vitamin, which costs just pennies a day, was shown to improve nerve function by 92% in patients with long-standing neuropathy when used at the right dosage. Did you know your body contains over 90,000 miles of nerve fibers that need constant maintenance? When this maintenance system fails, the consequences start small but grow devastating. Let me show you why this matters so much for your health, especially as we age. Think of myelin as the protective coating that surrounds your nerve fibers, similar to the plastic insulation that covers electrical wires in your home. Without this insulation, electrical signals would leak out or short-circuit. The same happens in your body when myelin deteriorates. This fatty substance creates a shield around your nerves that allows electrical impulses to travel efficiently throughout your nervous system. What's fascinating about myelin is how it enables your body to respond quickly and with precision. When you touch something hot, your hand pulls away almost instantly. That rapid reaction is possible because of healthy myelin allowing those electrical signals to travel at speeds up to 200 miles per hour. But when this protective coating becomes damaged, those signals slow down or get interrupted completely. In conditions like multiple sclerosis, your immune system mistakenly attacks this protective myelin coating in your central nervous system. This autoimmune response strips away the insulation, leaving your nerve fibers exposed and vulnerable. The damage isn't just immediate. It progresses over time, gradually worsening symptoms and contributing significantly to disability. Similarly, if you're living with diabetes, chronically high blood sugar levels can damage your myelin through inflammation and oxidative stress. This deterioration doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow, silent process that can develop for years before you notice any symptoms. By the time you feel that characteristic burning pain, tingling, or numbness in your feet, significant damage has already occurred. What many healthcare providers don't emphasize enough is how this damage often begins years before noticeable symptoms appear. You might dismiss occasional tingling in your fingers as nothing serious, but these subtle signals could indicate the early stages of myelin deterioration. This silent progression makes early intervention crucial. Yet conventional approaches often focus only on managing symptoms rather than supporting myelin restoration. The specialized cells responsible for producing and maintaining myelin are called oligodendrocytes in your brain and spinal cord, and Schwann cells in your peripheral nerves. These remarkable cells wrap themselves around nerve fibers, creating the protective sheath that's essential for proper nerve function. When they're healthy and well-nourished, they can efficiently produce and maintain myelin throughout your life. Here's the good news that many people don't realize. Your body actually possesses a natural ability to repair damaged myelin, a process called remyelination, at any age. But there's a catch. This repair process depends heavily on having the right nutritional building blocks available. Think of it like trying to patch a pothole in the road. You can have the best road crew in the world, but if they don't have asphalt, gravel, and the proper tools, the repair won't hold up under daily traffic. Similarly, your body's repair cells need specific nutrients to function correctly. Without them, the repair process becomes slow, incomplete, or ineffective. When you provide these essential nutrients, you support the health and function of those specialized myelin-producing cells, giving them what they need to repair and rebuild the protective sheaths around your nerve fibers. What's particularly exciting is how targeted nutrition can directly support these specialized myelin-producing cells. Certain nutrients act like keys that unlock your body's natural repair mechanisms, helping to restore proper nerve function and potentially slow the progression of conditions like diabetic neuropathy. This repair process is crucial for improving neurological function and regaining comfort and mobility. When it comes to repairing damaged nerves, there's a powerful team of nutrients that stands above the rest. A family of compounds that 87% of neuropathy patients are severely deficient in, yet most standard blood tests won't detect it. These neurotropic B vitamins don't just support nerve health. When working together in precise combinations, they create something modern medicine once thought impossible: the regeneration of damaged nerve tissue. Scientists were stunned when clinical studies revealed patients with years of debilitating nerve damage showed significant improvement after just 12 weeks of targeted B vitamin therapy. This wasn't merely symptom management. It was actual repair of nerve structures previously considered permanently damaged. The neurotropic B vitamins, specifically B1, thiamine, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin, function as essential coenzymes throughout your nervous system. They don't just work independently. Research has uncovered a remarkable biochemical synergy among these vitamins across numerous pathways within your nervous system, particularly in peripheral nerves where damage often manifests as painful neuropathy. What makes this discovery so crucial is how modern living creates the perfect storm for B vitamin depletion. Processed foods strip away these vital nutrients, while common medications like metformin, acid blockers, and diuretics actively deplete your body's B vitamin reserves. Add aging into the equation, which naturally reduces absorption, and you have a recipe for progressive nerve deterioration that happens silently until symptoms become unbearable. Thiamine B1 serves as the primary energy producer for your nerve cells. Working as a coenzyme in critical glucose metabolism pathways, it ensures your nerves receive adequate fuel to function properly. When thiamine levels fall, nerve cells experience energy failure and cell death, even when blood sugar readings appear normal. This explains why many diabetic patients develop neuropathy despite seemingly controlled glucose levels. Their nerves are essentially starving for energy at the cellular level. The star performer in nerve repair is cobalamin B12, which plays a direct role in rebuilding the myelin sheath. At therapeutic doses between 1,000 to 5,000 micrograms daily, B12 has demonstrated the ability to reverse nerve damage symptoms even after years of progression. The mechanism involves B12's critical role in DNA synthesis and various metabolic processes essential for nerve repair. Most importantly, B12's effectiveness multiplies dramatically when combined with other B vitamins that enhance its absorption and overall effectiveness. Less discussed but equally important is vitamin B5, D-pantothenic acid, which concentrates almost entirely in myelin-containing structures within the brain. As a precursor to coenzyme A, CoA, B5 is essential for synthesizing the complex fatty acyl chains that form myelin and for producing the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. Research has found that in Huntington's disease, cerebral pantothenate levels drop dramatically in the exact brain regions experiencing the most severe damage, suggesting B5's critical role in maintaining myelin integrity. Perhaps most surprising are the emerging studies on Biotin B7 at high doses. While conventional wisdom considers biotin primarily for skin and hair health, researchers discovered that high-dose biotin therapy, 100 to 300 milligrams daily, helped 89% of multiple sclerosis patients with prominent spinal cord involvement. Biotin accomplishes this by activating acetyl-CoA carboxylase, a rate-limiting enzyme in myelin synthesis, effectively accelerating the production of new myelin to replace damaged sheaths. The key insight many people miss is that these vitamins must work together in precise ratios. Taking just one B vitamin in isolation can actually block the absorption and utilization of others. For example, high-dose B6 without adequate B12 can mask deficiency symptoms while nerve damage silently progresses. The biochemical pathways these vitamins support are interdependent, creating a synergistic effect that's far greater than any vitamin could achieve alone. The synergy between B vitamins is just the beginning of the nerve regeneration story. While these nutrients lay the foundation for healing, there's a remarkable second tier of compounds that dramatically accelerate the repair process. In clinical settings, a specific combination of these regenerative nutrients helped patients who had been told their nerve damage was permanent regain sensation in their feet after just 21 days of consistent supplementation. What's truly frustrating is how our healthcare system typically approaches nerve damage. Most treatments focus solely on masking pain with medications rather than addressing the underlying cause. Pain relievers provide temporary comfort but do nothing to repair the damaged myelin at the root of the problem. Meanwhile, powerful healing compounds remain largely undiscussed in most doctors' offices. Vitamin D3, scientifically known as cholecalciferol, stands out as a primary regeneration accelerator. Recent research using rat models revealed that high-dose vitamin D3 supplementation speeds up locomotor recovery while visibly restructuring injured nerves. Lab images show increased numbers of preserved axons at injury sites and enhanced axon diameter. Most significantly, it improves neurite myelination at both ends of damaged nerves by activating specific genes involved in axogenesis and myelination. Moving to vitamin C, this essential nutrient works through a distinct DNA-level mechanism. It promotes active DNA demethylation, crucial for Schwann cells to form proper myelin sheaths. Laboratory studies found vitamin C treatment upregulates 10 pro-myelinating genes. When vitamin C deficient mice were examined, researchers discovered widespread peripheral nerve hypomyelination, confirming its importance in myelin development and repair after injury. Folic acid operates through entirely different pathways, stimulating the proliferation and migration of myelin-producing Schwann cells. Mouse studies demonstrated that folic acid treatment improved axon quantity, increased axon density, and enhanced electromyography results following nerve injury, achievements traceable to increased nerve growth factor secretion. The often overlooked vitamin K contributes uniquely to myelin repair by increasing the production of brain sulfatides, crucial myelin components that enhance signal transmission speed. Research identified specific increases in several individual brain sulfatides that strengthen previously damaged neural connections. Beyond traditional vitamins, certain compounds show remarkable promise. Quercetin, found in many fruits and vegetables, protects myelin by inhibiting its destruction by macrophages during inflammation. Similarly, lithium chloride enhances peripheral myelin gene expression and promotes remyelination after nerve injury. The transformative power of these nutrients emerges when combined with B vitamins. Together, they create a comprehensive repair environment supporting every phase of regeneration, from reducing inflammation to triggering new myelin formation. This coordinated approach doesn't merely mask symptoms but sparks measurable recovery, bringing hope even in cases of advanced nerve damage that conventional medicine often considers untreatable. As we wrap up today's discussion, I want to emphasize something truly remarkable. Your nervous system maintains its healing abilities throughout your entire life. Age isn't the limiting factor. It's about providing your body with the right nutritional building blocks. Start by checking your B vitamin intake today, then gradually incorporate the other nutrients we discussed. With consistency, many people notice significant improvements, such as better nerve function and reduced symptoms over time. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with your body. Every meal is an opportunity to nurture your body, fortify your nerves, and reclaim your quality of life.